Hey everybody, my name is Dylan. I'm the product manager here at Rithmm, and we have just released our biggest feature today, and that is Scout. That is what you see on the right side of my screen here. And Scout is your own personal AI betting analyst. Scout has full access to everything Rithmm, so it can connect to your models. It has access to all of the same data that your models do. This thing's huge, so it's going to be included in our Pro and Premium plans. I'll have a different video that explains the differences between those so that you can make sure that you're on the right plan. But Scout access is given to Pro users, and then Premium users get 4 times the usage per month. And so I'll talk about that a little bit in the other video. But as far as what Scout does, Scout can do anything for you. So whether you are looking at, like I said, a certain matchup, let's go into this this Angels and Orioles matchup. On every matchup pregame view, you're going to see what is Scout's take on this. So Scout is looking through all of the stats, the matchup, the lineups, the model's prediction, and it's basically saying this is what you need to watch out for. So in the matchup view, you can see what Scout says. You can actually ask follow-ups about this specific game, and then in web, you're going to have the full thing on the side. In the mobile app, it is its own nav bar selection. So on the bottom nav bar, you'll have home, predictions, performance, models, and then Scout on the very right. But this thing is super powerful. So for example, let's just say, show me the Angels' recent game stats, and it's going to do its thing here. But I can ask Scout literally anything. So it's going to give kind of suggested things popping up in here. I can click in, and on web, it's going to be tied to whatever game or prediction that you're looking at. You can ask follow-ups right about it. So show me the Angels' recent game stats. Angels are 1-4 over the last 5. Their lone win was a clean shutout. Offense has been really bad, posting low OPS figures in 4 or 5 games. Super cold, no extra base power. Basically, they're saying the Angels have been really bad. But where this is really impressive is on any of the predictions. If I go into the predictions tab, I can ask Scout on these as well. So you'll notice this little Ask Scout Why button. This is going to be on all games, all props, and it'll kind of do the same thing. So when I ask Scout Why, it'll give me kind of that profile of the player. What have they done recently? It has access to matchup data as well, so head-to-head data. So if I wanted to ask, how does Clement hit against Houston historically? I can ask that, and it'll come back with a full report of how Ernie Clement has done against Houston. So I'm able to basically ask it literally anything about these bets. He has 5 games against Houston this season, and he's gone 3 for 13. Scatter contact, sample is small, but it clearly supports the under. And he has 0 hits in 3 of his 5 games against Houston. So Scout is incredibly powerful. The other really, really awesome thing about Scout is, like I said at the beginning, it has access to all of your model's predictions, but it also has access to the top models' predictions. So we've told you guys all about top models. Top models are amazing, and if you haven't copied any, go ahead and go to the models section. Top models, you can copy these straight into your account from there. But Scout is actually able to access these predictions without them being in your active models list. So if I go Scout, what do the top MLB models think for run lines tonight? Let's say that. And it is going to come back. I can go into my games, and I'm just going to filter to run line. So obviously I have my predictions coming from my models. It likes Cardinals plus 1.5. But what this is going to do is it actually agrees. Cardinals plus 1.5. But this is the top spread model on the board. So this is coming from core model 555. Mine is MLB totals. And it gives you the top model's record right there. So this model is 34.8% ROI on the season, which is just insane. It's going to reference that. It's going to say, hey, this is a recommended pick from that model. And it also has some caution run lines if we want those. So let me say, give me the cautions as well. And tell me if any are worth a look, or should I stay away? I'm telling you, you can ask this thing anything. So we'll let that load for a sec. And while it is, Oh, they all have recommended bets. Okay. So yeah, so 555, 561, and 658 all like the Cardinals plus 1.5. We absolutely love that. So, and my model likes it too. So I'd probably bet that. So I would actually send that to my sportsbook straight from here. You don't have to add it to your bet slip or anything like that. But Scout was awesome. We can't wait for it to get in your guys' hands. Like I said, I will have a different video on Pro versus Premium and what each gets, the usage behind that. But yeah, this is coming out later this week. So let us know if you have any questions. As always, join the Discord, as that's the easiest way to get a hold of us on the team. But you guys have a great one.